Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your summon history in Dragon Ball Legends. So I made this video is for beginner and that are new into this game, how this game is works, how you can challenge the missions, the events to get a ton of rewards, useful rewards from this game. So let's get started. If you are a summon like this, tap the summon, you can see your history, like 10 most recent summon history. So this is your 10 most recent summon history. For example, I'm summoned in this banner 10 times maybe. So I like I I I want to see this history. Like, let's get started by tapping the menu, tapping the other, and this one, summon history, 10 most recent. Tap it, and this is my summon history, the 10 most recent. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.